Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have made a short video so that you can see the damage that salt does, which is thrown on the roads, to prevent the ground from freezing. Look at the damage it does on the vehicles that do not have the aluminum crankcase. This, I said, is not usual to see it, that is why I have recorded the video. This vehicle has been brought in a truck with other vehicles from Germany. A salesman has told us that it had a problem. That it was losing oil, he says. We have removed the cover that was flooded and look where it is thrown. It has lost material, it has eaten the crankcase plate and well, you see. If you look at it, it could be seen in the gearbox as it also has those white salt marks. Well, I made this video as a curiosity for you to see it and well. If it has been of interest to you, then do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.